In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use custom fonts on Canva. This is a great way to personalize your designs and really make them stand out. Whether you're creating content for social media, a presentation, or just something fun, adding your own special touch with unique fonts can truly make a difference. First things first, let's dive into how you can select the text you want to customize. When you're in Canva, open the design that you're working on. Once you've got your design up, take a close look at the text element that you want to change. Click directly on the text to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see a box around it. This is the starting point for applying your custom font. Now with your text selected, you'll see a toolbar at the top of your Canva workspace. Here you'll find the name of the current font you're using displayed prominently. What you'll want to do is click on the existing font name. This action will open a drop-down menu showing you all the fonts available in Canva. But our real interest lies in using a custom font, so we'll be taking a slight detour from the usual selections. Once the font menu is open, there should be an option labelled upload a font or something similar. This is where the magic happens and you can inject your own flavour into your design. Click on upload a font. Before moving forward, it's important to note that uploading fonts is a feature available only to Canva Pro users, so ensure you have access to this feature. Now that you're set up to upload your font, you'll need a font file ready on your computer. It's crucial to have these files in a compatible format such as OTF, TTF, or WOF. When you click to upload a font, a file selection dialog will pop up, allowing you to navigate to where you've stored your font files. Select the desired font file and upload it to Canva. Don't worry if it takes a moment for the font to upload, this is perfectly normal. Once the upload is complete, you'll see your new font appear in the font list. With your font uploaded, go back to your text element, and now when you open the font drop down, you'll see your custom font available to select. Click on it, and just like that, your text will transform into your chosen style. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily use custom fonts in Canva, adding an extra layer of personalization to your designs. This simple trick can dramatically boost the aesthetic appeal of your work, making it uniquely yours. Enjoy experimenting with different fonts and have fun crafting beautiful designs that truly reflect your style.